Okay, we're back. Let's try that again. Yeah, I had a bit of trouble with that stream. Anyway, let's see how we go this time. All right. In that meantime, I did take a trade, and I just wanted to watch the reaction at previous day POC, which it flew through. So I didn't get in. So I am going to look at a, change this around. I will be looking at this trade now. Sell off here.
Order filled.
So let's see how we go. Break the 3080. 3080, is that right? 3081. Jeez. Okay. I'll let this play out a bit.
Order working.
Whoops. No, one don't.
Order cancelled. Order working. Order working.
Okay. Let's see how we go here. Alright, took a bit. That was a bit risky. I'll probably, if I can get under this with a candle or two, I'll probably reduce my risk here. Let's see how we go this time. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with the stream. I still think I'm out a bit, aren't I? So let's get under the previous day value high, please. Okay, we're at previous day POC level here. I've got to bring this in, otherwise all my profit from earlier is going to diminish pretty quick. Again, I wanted to try and get in 2 contracts there, but I just didn't have the time to set my orders properly. I do want to just get out of this trade, to be honest, because we have definitely changed to a bullish sentiment here. So if I can get out maybe here, I'll be happy with that. Got to get through a bit of some of these bullish nodes here. So if I can get through here, it's probably going down to here. So I might just adjust that down till... No, let me just get out of this trade. I would like to reduce this risk, so if I'm going back up here, Come on. Get back below here. We should be able to rock and roll. Come on, you can do it. Ugh. Come on, let's go. I'll let this play out a bit, I think. Okay, just above POC. Let's see if we can get just above the previous day POC. Come on. Just move that to break even. Pay for some fees, so that's at break even. If I can get a good candle in here, I might even try and target some. No, I just want to get out. Come on. Oh, one more push. Should get down the POC. Come on, you can do it.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order cancelled.
That's good. Alright, so that's a good little... so we're under POC now. It's going to be a bit of a V-shaped recovery straight away. So a little reaction off the VWAP. That's why I have the VWAP in. Just a little extra confluence on the chart that I use. Probably you should use it a bit more. But these are my main areas, obviously. The overnights, the previous day, volume profile, points of interest. Now, to be honest, I didn't trade yesterday because I was feeling a bit under the weather. Ideally, I wouldn't mind, because I'm trying to trade these evals, trying to pass these evals. But I went backwards the other day a little. I should just take that and then hopefully go closer tomorrow to passing these evals. So what am I doing? I'm copy trading 3 50 accounts, 50k accounts, Apex, and 150k Apex account. So I'm trying to pass those. I'll just watch one more. I want to see what it does here at previous day POC. I was hoping if I could to maybe get back in a long here, but if it comes back to this level, I might do so. Get rid of that. Alright. Let's see what sort of reaction. That is the reaction I'd want to see if I wanted to go long again, but because we've got layered points of interest here overnight on the previous day, there's every chance this will just fly through. Now, if I have I think I'd rather trade down here, but if I have this extended down to maybe there, and this here is the Australia pre-Asia open at 7 a.m. 7 p.m. New York time. So ideally I'd want to just be under that. Just alright, look. What's the time? Oh, far out. That was a bit silly. That's right. It's a bit tight. Missed that one. So, right idea. Aim for the Australian lower 5-minute orb. Would have been my target. Just didn't quite get down where I wanted to get in. That is okay. Look, I might had a couple of stream problems today, so I've been going for a while, but I might end it there. Good luck everyone for the rest of the day. I might have a look at, so I've got to iron out a couple of bugs with my stream. There is still a bit of a delay. I'm at the lowest latency possible, but I have got a bit of a delay still. Much better now. It's probably only a minute, which is a little bit better. And to be honest, I don't mind being a minute out, because I don't want you guys copy trading me. I'm still feeling my way around with NAS futures. I've been trading for years. Well, when I say years, I've been trading for 3 years in the crypto space, 3+ years. I've been actually in crypto since 2017, but full-time trading for 3 years. Trading on and off before that, but let's just count the 3 years full-time. And I've, since about November, I've moved into the NAS futures. I wanted another pillar of income, not just crypto, which I'm still trading BTC every day, but I'm trying to advance myself with prop firms, try and get into prop firms and utilize their money rather than my real money, because in crypto I'm using full my my real accounts and real money, which is all fine. I'm doing okay there. I just want to try and see if I can get NAS futures working. So I'm trading NAS. I am at the moment just using Apex, which if you go back on any of my streams, I'll tell you why. So we're back at POC. Now, I don't really want to trade that idea again. The only thing why I might consider it is because we didn't sweep the previous day value high this time around. So maybe I'm just looking at the candle reaction here. We are above it still. It's strong bullish candle. Sorry, my throat is bad. So as bad as my normal voice is, it's probably 10 times worse now. Sorry, guys. Losing my voice. Okay, let's see. So again, my sort of my idea is still in play, which is as long as I am in this zone, I'm still trying to look for a sweep of this area. So if we don't sweep this area, I'm still bullish just for this short term. So has that tagged it? That's tagged. Okay, so now I reassess. I start again. Might still be the same trade, but I'll probably look for it either developing above here, and we have a shot at the overnight POC, or we come down pretty heavy through here, and I'll look at maybe longing again off here. Asia likes to sweep the lows, which it has done, and then sort of target these higher historical overnight POC. So where's the overnight value high? Is way up there. Okay, that's a long way off. Not looking at that at this point, but this overnight POC level, and for that matter the Asian high session, is something that is still sort of on my radar. But I just want to see what we are doing around here. So because I'm ahead, I am ahead, so I don't want to risk being in front at the moment. So I might consider to be honest, I'd prefer to be trading down here. Alright, so this is, we are in the original, which is, I've got less confidence of working in this range now. This is more for the opening sort of why I plot these. But it is interesting, we are still reacting off this zone, which is the 5 minute 7 AM for me, 7 p.m. for New York session time. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I'll just pull that. Sorry. Just to clean the chart up a bit as well. I know my chart's a bit messy. And I want to just judge again the reaction here. If it comes down this far. The other orb I have got on is the Asian breakout, which is Tokyo. So the Tokyo 5-minute orb I have got as well. Anyone following some of my I've only started this week, well last week, a couple of days last week, live streaming, but anyone who's sort of following what I'm doing, I like using the 5-minute Tokyo Open, the 5-minute Australian Open, and I like using the 9 o'clock, which I didn't actually plot in the end, the 9 o'clock, which is China Open. The China Open, which is 2100. Which we are inside now. So I don't actually trade the breakout. I just like watching what it's doing around our historical volume profile points of interest. Just as a guide for my where I'm going to set take profits and stop losses usually. So you might be asking, why wouldn't I trade that down? Just because I'm looking for a better entry. We are bullish here, so going against the trend whilst I'm up on the day, I don't really want to do that. To be honest, I should probably just get out now while I'm ahead. I was just hoping to have made, well, I was trying to make 1,000. So I'm going to be strong. AJ, be strong. You're doing this so you can make yourself accountable. That's basically why I'm doing this stream for. Not so much doing it for views and clicks, and I'm not expecting to make any money out of this. This is more just to make me a bit more accountable as a trader. So that would have been a nice little move actually. Using, now that I've got the China Open on, this would have been probably a good setup from the, let's see, would that have worked? So I'm looking initially just at a 50 tick play, and then I'll sort of adjust. So that would have been sort of my, but I missed it. Would have got it, but anyway, that's all right. I was mucking around with the stream and getting all that up, so I forgot to watch for the 9 o'clock. The next one, I basically look on the hour, so 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and sometimes at 10 o'clock. The 7 o'clock is the Australian pre-Asia. The 8 o'clock is the normal Asian session, which is Tokyo Open at 8 o'clock. and 9 o'clock is the China. Well, I don't even know if it's the China, but it's basically everyone else. So that has it's effectively tagged the previous day POC. If it was sort of up around here, I would still consider maybe a short into this, but as I said, I sort of want to trade more down here and look for a long, because I still think this is in play. Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry, there. The overnight POC is still sort of in play. So I'm a little bit bullish still, with a bullish bias. This might have been my chance to do that though. So whilst this is not swept, and even up here, I'm still looking for sort of bullish moves. But there's a lot of time between now and London. So all of this stuff could still happen easily. And this is still in play as well. So whilst I was in here, whilst I was in Tokyo, I was actually looking more for shorts down to claim this area, down the sweep down here, which we never got to. So we're right in the middle of the of up and down still. And to be honest, I would not be surprised if we took out both again before London opens. Everyone says Asia doesn't move, but it's done. It's making moves. Just got to be on the right side of the moves. So, what is the time? The time is 9:30, 9:25. So I've got 35 minutes. I don't know if I've got it in me, guys. Look, what I might do is I might just kill it there, and I might come back in London. I'll come back for London. So I'll end it there, guys. Thanks for anyone watching. Yes, I'll end it there, and just watch out if anyone likes or wants to know a bit more about what I'm doing. Happy to chat about my ideas and my strategy. And look out for my London. If I'm going to go to London, I'll probably put it on at 2:45. So 2:45 a.m. for New York. Not that anyone's probably up at that time. Whatever that converts to London time. That's 2:45 p.m. here in the Southeast Asia area. Anyway, good evening. Or good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, and we shall see you next time. Thanks, guys.